From Hollywood to Kansas City, Ultherapy is here. There's a new treatment that lifts and tightens skin without going under the knife. Dr. Craig Schwartz is the first doctor in our area to have it available to consumers out there to look great without having to suffer the pain and side effects of surgery. Correct? Okay, so what is Ultherapy?
Well, first let me say we are so pleased to be the first office to bring this new technology here to the KC metro area. Ultherapy is an entirely new and unique non-surgical treatment for the skin of the face and neck. It is the first and only FDA-approved device that has a specific indication to not only tighten skin, but to lift as well.
How does it work?
Well, here's what you need to know about Ultherapy. First of all, it's non-invasive, it's non-surgical, there's no downtime, it's convenient, it's safe and effective, and works by a slow, gradual, natural progress. Ultherapy works by focused ultrasound energy, which affects the deep layers of skin, much deeper than any other device can get to. But more importantly, it gets to the deeper layers of tissue below the skin, the actual foundation of skin, that what we call the fibromuscular layer that actually holds the skin, provides its tautness. This is the layer that's treated during surgical facelifts, and Ultherapy is the only device out there that can treat the same layer that's affected during surgical treatment without having to cut, disrupt, or damage the skin.
But you have the device actually here.
Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really nothing frightening about it. It's a simple handpiece that we simply place against the skin, and it will fire ultrasound energy, which is safe sound wave energy.
Is it painful? Is it warm? Is it cool? Is it...
Levels of comfort will vary from patient to patient. What is great about this machine is that the protocols allow us to customize the treatment protocol for each patient to their level of comfort. And the company is always advancing their technology, and we have one of the first offices in the country to have their newest treatment protocol, which allows us to lower these levels of energy without affecting the efficacy of the treatment at all.
Okay, so what kind of results have you seen so far?
The results are really nice. There's both a visible tightening and lifting of the skin, but more importantly, there's an invisible effect below the skin where what happens is the old tired collagen of the skin gets replaced with new healthy collagen, which restores the more youthful appearance to the skin.
So especially around the eyes, do you notice a big difference?
Absolutely.
You see something before and after on the screen.
What we see with aging as it progresses with people is one of the first places we see that effect is around the eye, where there begins to be a laxity and a hooding of the eyelid and a more drooping appearance. By tightening the skin over the brow and around the eyes, we can lift that skin, and what it does is provides a more relaxed, open appearance to the eye. It also works very well around the skin of the mid-face, where women very commonly see the effects of gravity with the jowl and more importantly at the neck.
So these lines right here?
Absolutely, and the jowl that we see right here. And then, of course, the infamous turkey neck and double chin that patients always seem to complain about.
You call it the turkey neck, so that's that the skin kind of sags. And usually surgery is the only option to get rid of it, right?
Well, there are other devices for tightening, but they certainly can't work at the deeper level that this does. That's what's great about Ultherapy, is this works at a level that none of these other devices can get to. Again, it works at that same level as surgery without having to cut or disrupt the skin.
Okay, so how long does it take? Are there several treatments?
What's great about Ultherapy is it's very convenient. It takes about 30 to 60 minutes to do, depending on whether we do a full facial treatment or whether we're just treating isolated areas of the face. But what's great is that patients will leave the office, they go home, they resume normal activities immediately with no downtime whatsoever and no specific recuperation.
Okay, and so in terms of differences, do they last for a certain amount of time?
Absolutely. Of course, the skin will continue to age over time, but the effects of this will last for years. And what we see is both that visible and invisible effect. And as the collagen is replaced with new healthy collagen, that effect will continue for up to 6 months after the treatment and will last for years or more.
We love that. Okay, you have an event coming up as well. You want to touch on that?
We have an open house here in the office, an all-day event on Wednesday, November 14th, where patients can come in and we can sit down with them. We can explain to them all about Ultherapy. We can take as much time as we need. We can have individual consultations or talk to people in groups. We prefer that they call by appointment. The office number is 913-451-8346, and we'd love to show the information.
Thank you, Dr. Schwartz, for coming on. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.